Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize websites on Squarespace for baby and kids businesses and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your sites. So first of all, here you can go here you can get started from here, and also you can create your website and you can see templates. So let's go with this. So here you can make any templates yours with ease. So here you can choose the type: online store or portfolio or memberships or blog or scheduling. I'm gonna just choose the courses and the services and the memberships. So the baby and kids business is not here, so you can customize it on your template. You can go with some templates from here. So let's go with this. Let's get started. Here you can add your site name, type any name you want for baby and kids business. So let's continue. So here you can build your home page. You can here choose the intro section. Also you can choose the product section. uh, you can choose here the services section and the about section, the social section, and the forms section, and the last is the footer section. So that's it. Now let's continue. You can here add page to your site. So let's move on. You can choose here the color theme of your homepage website. So let's continue, and here you can choose the font. So let's finish this and let's move on. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can personalize your homepage text faster than ever. If you want to continue with this, or if you want to skip from here, so I'm gonna just skip this. So this is your home page right now. You can here change the view. You can make it like a desktop view like this, or like a mobile view. So I'm gonna keep it like a desktop view. Here you can edit the site styles. So first here we have the fonts. We can change the fonts back. Here you can edit the headings, the paragraphs, and the buttons, and the assign styles. You can also reset fonts back. So it's back, and let's move on to the colors. So here you can customize your theme's colors. You can choose this, for example, and here you can choose the color theme of any one of these, of the site title or the navigation links. Just click here and you can choose any. You can custom your color from here, or from here you can choose any color, for example this. So that's it. Also the navigation links. You can also edit the site wide, the text. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on. Let's move on to the animations. So here you can edit the style. You can set none or fade or scale or slide or whatever you want. Here you can change the speed, slow or medium or fast. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the spacing. Also here you can change this. You can edit the page width max and the site margin. Also you can reset styles to defaults. So that's it. And here you can edit the buttons, the primary buttons. You can edit the text or the shape or the outline. Also here you can apply to all button types, and you can reset button styles. So that's it. Now let's move to the image blocks. Here you can edit the image blocks, you can change the text alignments, the content width, or the title separation, the button separation. You can here edit the content position or the text alignments or the image width. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's close this. So now you can design it from here. You can design your home page. So first here we have the header. You can edit the site header here. Just click here, and now you can edit here the site title and the logo. You can change the site title if you don't like it. You can add your logo from your library for baby and kids logo business, and also here you can add your mobile logo image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the elements. Here you can turn this on, the button. You can also turn this on or off, the social links. Here you can edit the social links. You can edit here the social icon size. You can change the border. You can also switch the language. You can here change the icon style. So you can edit here the cart icon size and the border, and also you can show zero in carts. So that's it. You can edit here the style, dynamic or theme or guardian or solid. So that's it. You can here turn this on or keep it just like this, fixed position. So that's it. Now if you want to add something new on your home page, just click here add section, and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here. So that's it. So I'm gonna close this. So if you want to add the text, just click here and you can add the text or image or video or whatever you want. So that's it. You can here edit this text, just click on it. You can duplicate it if you want or delete it, and if you want to edit, click here and you can edit the text, the form of the text here, and you can change the heading. Also the buttons, you can edit the label. You can change this, and also you can edit the text on the label. You can just click on it and you can here change the text or the design. You can duplicate it, just click on it and click here on this icon of duplicate and you can duplicate it. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So here you can delete, for example, this, and you can add your image for pets, for baby and kids business. So you can put it here, for example. So click here, you can add it. You can select from the library or from pre-image. So for example, let's search from here baby and kids. So so I'm gonna choose this. Just for example, you can choose whatever you want, and here this is, you can drag it and you can make it larger or smaller as you like. So that's it. So if you want to duplicate it, just click here and it will be duplicated. You can edit it from here. So that's it. Now let's move on. Here you can edit the text on this label. You can also edit the text here. You can generate or whatever you want from ChatGPT, for example. So that's it. You can change the social links, and just click here and click edit, and here you can add the social link. So that's it. Here you can edit this. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, just save this, and now you can after you add your first product and add your products and customize the price and whatever. So now you can start selling and start your business and publish your site. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your website for baby and kids business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.